Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook sour banana flour soup.
What the ingredient that we have?
The ingredient that we have: holy basil, needle mushroom, banana flour, sour tamarind, garlic, salt, Kantrak root, chili, soy sauce, and tofu.
How do you make it?
The water boiling. We add garlic, and add Kantrak root, and we add needle mushroom. And we add banana flour. So now can you pass tofu? And simmer for 8 minutes. And we add tamarind, and salt, and soy sauce. Now turn off fire and add holy basil. Now it's time to serve it into the bowl. The chili, if you want to put or not, up to you. Now the food is finished. I hope you guys make it at home. Thank you for watching.